In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to pick the right shade, and how to confirm the change so your text looks exactly the way you want. First, open your design in Adobe Express. Once your project is on screen, click the text you want to edit. Make sure you're selecting the actual text box and not a background shape or image. If your text is part of a larger layout, a single click selects the box, and a quick double click lets you edit the text itself. Zooming in slightly can help you click precisely, especially in designs with smaller type. With your text selected, look to the left side of the screen for the text panel. This panel appears only when a text box is active and gives you the most important options in one place, including font, size, alignment, and color. If you don't see it, click your text again to reselect it. The panel might be labeled Text or show typographic settings right away, and that's your confirmation that Express is ready to apply changes to the selected text. Now, it's time to choose a new color. In the text panel, click the color box or swatch. This opens the color picker dialog. You'll see preset colors for quick choices, which is great if you're matching a theme or want a fast change. If you need a precise brand shade, look for options to enter a hex code or adjust RGB sliders. You can paste a hex value like a brand color, or drag the picker to explore hues and brightness until it looks right. As you adjust, many designs preview the change live so you can judge how the color reads against your background. When you find the color you like, apply it. In most cases, the change takes effect as soon as you click the color, but if you see an Apply or Done button, click that to confirm. If the result isn't what you expected, simply choose another color, or press Undo to revert. For best readability, aim for strong contrast, especially on small text. Also make sure the text box remains selected. If the color isn't changing, it usually means another element is active instead of your text. That's it. You opened your design, selected the text, used the text panel to access color, and chose a new shade. With these steps, you can quickly refresh headings, highlight keywords, or align your design with your brand colors. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your text color in Adobe Express.